What's happening? Who's that guy?
Now today, James is going to cross the train crossing and then Ticket thought the gates were open and then crashed him into the gate. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey! Where's my normal mic? For a little while. Chicks, let's go.
What's happening? Who's that guy who's pushing?
Max Chanel.
Max Chanel? Careful, Max, what's happening? Uh-oh. Now James is stuck in the grass as well.
I want to start with having a nice tea going home. And then we'll have James took them all home. Ding, 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 ding. And they derailed onto the road. Not ready. Not and splash. Oh, what fun. Right. And we lose the carriage. We're having lovely time. Wonderful, but soon we're having a lovely tea. Round the course they went, round and round, and it was too steep for the imaginary steep, and they were stuck. They rushed and then stuck until hushed everyone, and one carriage fell off and it was derailing into the other carriage. And the car went flying and it quickly jumped off. And then they went flying into the air. See you later. Bye for now. Subscribe and like and have a nice day.